everyone, welcome back to another spelling showdown video. So this time it's Nelvin's turn to spell animal names in Hungarian. Okay, so stakes are high because you did so well on the furniture video, but I'm going to start you off easy again and getting more and more difficult as we go along. So number one is farkas.
Oh, that's so familiar. Farkas.
Farkas.
This is a really familiar word. I'm really sure I know this word.
Almost. That accent is not there.
Oh, really?
There are no accents.
I was quite sure I heard it.
Farkas.
Ah, I know this. Is this a parrot?
No. It's a wild animal. It's not a parrot.
I'm so certain I know this word. Farkas. Farkas. Is it a wild animal? It's a wolf.
It is a wolf.
Yes.
Yes. Farkas.
Farkas. Okay.
Very good. But I think the reason you might have heard that as an accent is because Hungarians always put the emphasis on the first syllable.
Ah, that's true.
So
yes.
that it's a bit more, I don't know, like
long.
Yeah, like that's where the emphasis is all the time.
Okay.
Yeah, number two. Tehén.
One more time, please.
Tehén. He says it's not easy and then spells it correctly.
I have to think for so long.
No, that was really good.
Tehén.
Exactly.
I would say this is a chicken.
No, but farm animal is correct.
A sheep.
No.
A horse.
No.
Could it be?
Similar in size.
A cow.
A cow. That's a cow.
I actually thought the cow was lavesh, but I remember that's a soup.
Lavesh in French.
Ah, that's true.
Lavesh is cow in French,
But
and
soup
in Hungarian, lavesh means soup in Hungarian. Yes.
It's on my dash, just mixed up.
Okay, number three, chico.
Chico.
Chico. I love this word.
I don't know. Just...
Almost. That's not an O, that's an A.
Ah, that's true.
Chico.
That's where I was like, oh, chico.
Chico. What is it?
Chicken.
No.
It sounds like it.
No. Chicken is cirka.
Chica.
Or
Oh.
ciuk. It's hen.
That one I remember. Chico. A fox.
No. A very small animal.
Mouse or rat.
Smaller.
Smaller. Hamster.
No, not a mammal.
Oh no, an insect? Like
No, not an insect.
smaller than a hamster.
They come out when it rains.
Earthworm? No, that couldn't be.
Bigger.
Come on when it rains. Frog.
No, they're small. I mean, depends on the type of frog, but yeah.
What?
Okay, let's get back to the French.
Yes.
They eat this.
Snail.
Snail.
That's very stereotypical, but
They do eat snail. Like I see it on the menu all the time.
that's true. But don't they call it an escargot or something?
Yeah,
Okay.
but that's just a French word.
Chica. Is
Chica.
Snail.
It's snail. Yeah.
Okay. Wow, that's very interesting animal you've picked that.
Yeah, I wanted to have the ch sounds.
Yes. Okay.
That was the first one that came to mind. And I really love this word. It's a very cute word.
That's true for a snail.
Yeah. Okay, so I picked one that you picked as well.
Okay.
We have giraffe.
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 I think we talked about this before once.
Almost. So that would be giraffe. So we don't have that. It's the j.
Oh.
So the ZS, the j sound.
Okay.
Giraffe.
Giraffe. Oh, close though.
Yeah, very close. But that was difficult, like because you know like it sounds the same,
Yeah.
but the spelling is very different.
That's true. It's just like the giraffe.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Last one.
Last one. We have, it's a long word. Csörgőkígyó.
Okay. One more time, please.
Csörgőkígyó.
Csörgő.
Csörgőkígyó. Csörgő. Kígyó.
I can hear something with the last syllable, but I don't think I know how to say it. I think I need the space here. Csörgő.
Kígyó.
I'm going to go with this.
Almost right. So that's not an, that would be an U, so csűr, that's not correct, that's csör.
Ah, damn, I was debating between these two.
So that's the short
Mhm.
that's a long
Mhm.
So csörgő, kígyó. Missing accents on the vowels.
Wow, the amount of accents there.
Yeah, every single vowel has an accent on it, or the dots, yeah.
Csörgő. At first I didn't hear the G here, I just heard the yo, and I was like,
Yo.
but that just sounds like something is missing. Okay, I'm pretty sure you talked about this before too.
So- Kígyó, that's like you can sort of guess that I think, and then csörgő I tell you. It's a wild animal.
Bear.
No, but also a dangerous wild animal. Wild animal.
Tiger.
No,
Lion.
no, a very long animal.
Snake.
Snake. It's a rattlesnake.
Ooh. Csörgő.
Yeah.
This is a hard word to spell.
It is very difficult. That's why I left it out. But you said you wanted to spell long words. Too.
I like long words to spell, and this really like makes me think, and I'm really thinking. I was like voicing it in my mind. Chur. Like which one
Yeah,
was it?
it's. I think that's very difficult. The u. So that's difficult when you're trying to learn, because you know that's another thing that doesn't really come up in English, for
That's
example. Well, in German it's a bit easier because they do have the sound at least.
Exactly.
So that's a bit easier.
It's easier for me to differentiate between the U and the Ö in German than in Hungarian. I think also because you have the difference between the long and the short,
Yeah.
which makes me always second guess my own thought. Like,
Yeah.
is this the long U maybe? You know? Yeah.
But that was very good going.
Awesome. Well, I got most of the characters available, so just the accents.
Very good. Well done. So I hope you motivate yourself to learn Hungarian, because look how well Nelvin's doing, and he doesn't even take lessons. So look at that. That's wonderful. So keep going, learn Hungarian, and good luck. Na Nelvin, hogy tetszett a videó?
Nagyon tetszett, de nekem a Fucking Tomatoes összes videója tetszik.
Ezek szerint már feliratkoztál?
Hát persze, meg eltesítéseket is kapok, mert rákattintottam a csengőre.
Kövessétek ti is Nelvin jó példáját, és ti sem fogtok lemaradni az új videóinkról.